set some graduation in this, which is a very technical term for just kind of reshaping versus it just being one length and kind of loose. It would hug the head a little bit more and kind of create a little wedgier shape to it. So today with Kelly, we're gonna do a little bob shape, and I wanna shift her shape just a little bit, just to make it a little more interesting for her. So one of the things I like to consider when making a change on a client is trying some subtlety in things, or trying something that's not like completely beyond where they are right now. So instead of taking her to something like a full-on pixie, we're gonna shift the shape. So what's kind of cool is if we actually cut a one length in traditional terms, meaning that we bring everything to the same spot and we cut there with a razor, you're actually gonna get a little bit of graduation. Now I'm just kind of peeling off the head shape. I can see my guide in there, and I'm also gonna open up my stroke, not flat and not on the edge, but somewhere in between. And I'm seeing my guide, it's very faint in there, drop out first, just a little bit. Everything in front of the ear is gonna live in front of the ear. Everything that's on top of the ear is gonna come back behind and connect back here. And if you've noticed, my graduation is at most elevated back here and slightly coming down to where we're just gonna have soft, if any, graduation in this front panel here.
It's already so cute.
Liking it?
I love it.
Awesome. I'm gonna over direct it a bit, and I am gonna take some weight out. Cutting her while keeping the corners of this bang intact here. All right, so she gets a little length in this corner here.